JAMB Chemistry Challenge. How many can you get right? How many moles of CaCO3 are present in 10 grams of the substance? Given calcium equals 40, carbon equals 12, and oxygen equals 16. An element X has two isotopes, X20 and X22, with a relative abundance of 60% and 40% respectively. What is the relative atomic mass of X? What is the IUPAC name for the compound CH3CH with a CH3 branch, CH2COOH? Which of the following elements is a halogen? A gas occupies a volume of 200 cubic centimeters at a pressure of 760 millimeters of mercury. What will be its volume if the pressure is doubled, keeping the temperature constant? What is the oxidation number of chromium in K2CR2O7? Which of the following salts will form an acidic solution when dissolved in water? During the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride, what is produced at the cathode? The electronic configuration of an element is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. To which group and period does this element belong? Which of the following properties decreases down a group in the periodic table? What volume of 0.5 molar H2SO4 will exactly neutralize 20 cubic centimeters of 0.1 molar NaOH solution? The isomers of pentane are examples of a given mass of gas has a volume of 22.4 cubic decimeters at standard temperature and pressure. What is its new volume if the pressure is halved and the absolute temperature is double? How many coulombs of electricity are required to deposit 0.2 moles of aluminium from a solution of Al3+? Given 1 Faraday equals 96500 coulombs per mole. The pH of a solution is 4. What is the concentration of hydroxide ions, OH-, in the solution? Given Kw equals 1.0 times 10 to the power of negative 14 moles squared per decimeter to the power of negative 6.